Do you want to know how to make a volcano plot for RNA-Seq data analysis using Python? You came to the right place. RNA-Seq analysis is a powerful tool for understanding gene expression, and one of the best ways to visualize differential expression is with a volcano plot. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a volcano plot using Python, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Let's get started. Volcano plot is a scatter plot that displays statistical significance p-values against fold change data. It helps researchers quickly identify upregulated and downregulated genes. The key elements of a volcano plot include x-axis with log 2 fold change, y-axis with minus log 10 of the p-value, colored points significantly up or downregulated genes, and threshold lines that indicate significant cut. First, you make sure you have the required Python libraries installed, in this case, pandas and Matplotlib as well as Seaborn. Then you import your data set. Now, using this code, after calculating the minus log 10 of the p-values, it gives us a basic visualization of gene expression changes, but we can still improve it. Now we can still improve this graph by adding color to the points that are upregulated and downregulated. We can do this with the following code. Now we have a clean and informative volcano plot where significant genes are highlighted. You also have a figure legend now. The last step is to save the figure as a high DPI, 600 at least, for publication ready, using this code. And that's it! Now you know how to create a volcano plot for RNA-seq data analysis in Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other bioinformatics visualizations you'd like to see. See you on the next video!